যাওয়াটা নিয়ে আপনার মতামত?
না, আমার টিম সিলেকশনের বিষয়টা নিয়ে আমরা বেশ অনেক আগে থেকেই আমাদের টিম সিলেক্টর এবং কোচ আমরা সবাই মিলে ডিসকাস করছিলাম। শুধুমাত্র জিম্বাবুয়ে সিরিজ থেকে যে শুরু হয়েছিল তা না, এর আগে থেকে আমাদের কনভারসেশন সবার মধ্যে একটা চলতো। সো আমরা কোন কম্বিনেশনে যাব, সো ইনপুট যদি বলেন আমরা সবাই মিলে ডিসিশন নিয়েছি এবং প্রত্যেকটা মিটিংয়ে আমি ছিলাম, কোচ ছিলেন, পাশাপাশি 3টা সিলেক্টর তো ছিলেন। সো আমাদের সবার সম্মিলিত ডিসিশন এটা। আর সাকিব এবং সাইফুদ্দিনের বিষয়টা যেটা বলবো যে সাইফুদ্দিনের কোচও যেটা মেনশন করলো যে সাকিব আমার মনে হয় যে এখন যে অবস্থায় আছে, যে ওর বোলের পেসটা স্বাভাবিকভাবে সাইফুদ্দিনের থেকে বেশি এবং সাইফুদ্দিনের কাছ থেকে যেরকম আমরা আশা করছিলাম বা যেরকম এক্সপেক্ট করছিলাম ওই অনুযায়ী আমার মনে হয় যে একটু কম বেশি ছিল। টোটাল যদি আমি বলতে চাই, আমি পুরো ডিটেলে বলতে চাই না, বাট দুজনই খুব ক্লোজ ছিল। সো আমাদের কাছে সাইফুদ্দিনের বিষয়টা থেকে সাকিবের ওপর একটু কনফিডেন্টটা বেশি মনে হয়েছে ওভারঅল প্যাকেজ যদি আমরা চিন্তা করি, এবং ওখানকার কন্ডিশন সবকিছু মিলে আমাদের কাছে মনে হচ্ছে যে সাকিব বেটার অপশন হবে। লিটন আমাদের খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট প্লেয়ার, আমরা সবাই জানি। যদিও রিসেন্টলি কয়েকটা সিরিজ হয়তো ভালো যায়নি, এটা আমি বিশ্বাস করি এটা হতে পারে, প্রত্যেকটা ক্রিকেটারের হতে পারে, বাট লাস্ট মোমেন্টে আমরা কেউই চাইনি যে একটা নতুন প্লেয়ার এসে টিমে হঠাৎ করে চলে আসুক, কারণ যে নতুন প্লেয়ারটা আসবে এরকম একটা বড় ইভেন্টে তার জন্য হয়তো ডিফিকাল্ট হবে। সো এই জন্য আমরা এক্সপিরিয়েন্সটাকে ওইখানে মূল্য দিয়েছি এবং আমি আশা করব যে লিটন ভালো কিছুই করবে ইনশাআল্লাহ।
Matches is a good preparation. It's a matter any team, because T20 cricket, the game is as such. Every game can be tricky. Some teams stronger than others, but preparation-wise, I thought we had a good preparation playing against Zimbabwe.
Mahfouz?
So this is Mahfouz from T Sports. My question is, what are the components that put Tanzim Shakib into the squad ahead of Saifuddin, and what are the things that you consider for Tanzim Shakib to put into the squad ahead of Mohammad Saifuddin?
I hope the yesterday selector would have spoken about it, but we gave both of them good chance to perform this series. What stood out for Shakib was he's able to bowl a bit faster. He's quicker than Saifuddin, and then we put both of them in a different situations to bowl at the start and the middle and the end. We were happy with how Shakib bowls under pressure, and he has been in the team for a long time, so that counted for him.
Of course, this is your second big event we're heading with the Bangladesh team in this tenure. In the last 2023 ODI World Cup, before you were going there, there has been few controversies regarding selection and many other things. Do you think this time it is quite calm and it is giving you a clear headspace before you board on the flight?
Yeah, my headspace has always been very clear, but yeah, those are the challenges at times because of injuries and different issues. This time, selection was, I thought, pretty good. We had a lot of good discussion leading up to, as well as after the series as well. One big one was Taskin's situation. Other than that, I'm very pleased with the outcome.
Do you think batting is the one of the main concern for your team? Because some of the main batsmen is not look good in their start.
I would say this way: some matches we manage to get good start, and some matches when we don't get good start, we manage to finish well strong. So everybody got an opportunity to bat in the middle. That was the positive. Yes, individually, some of the players would love to score, spend time in the middle, score runs. But in T20 cricket, anything can happen because it's a very different game to the other two formats. So yes, we would love our top order to score all the time, but in that kind of scenario, it's a lot of pressure out of the other players. But I'm confident that we have 5 matches leading up to the first game, that we will be able to get those areas of concern sorted.
Can you tell us the role about Mahmood and the side? How do you see his comeback?
He's been playing regularly, but he had come back. I thought was strong. He's been lately. If you see that he's playing his best cricket. He's changed a lot the way he approached batting. He's in good form. His role is going to be batting in the middle order, probably be the enforcer in the middle and as well as a finisher role, which he has done remarkably well lately in all formats, in the domestic as well.
Ronnie?
Coach, how will be the next phase of preparation? I mean, there is USA and there's two official practice games. So what are the things you'll try and what are the things you want to see?
Yeah, it's all about getting used to the condition of that country because we have never been, I don't think anyone been there. Playing in USA is very new for everybody. So getting information about the condition, getting used to the climate and the different time zone, things like that. It's more important for us in training and as well as matches. In the games, we all want to win, regardless of what games we play. Probably try a few combinations that we still think want to try, but when I say try, we have to give rest to the key players as well. So we keep in mind that workload as well as keeping them fresh physically and mentally, but main focus is understanding the condition in USA.
Ram.
After this event, the team will go up to the semi-final. This time what's the team?
I understand we as a country now we have high aspirations because we've been playing good cricket generally out of ICC event. It's the same. We have high expectation as players and the staff and as well as the fans and the country. The first step is to get through this difficult group stage. We are in a very strong group. Then if we get through that one, that's the main target, first one, and then we'll take it from there.
Can you give us some more light about the team's situation as you said, injury concern? And also, what's your comment regarding a player or a vice captain who has a little bit not sure?
Yeah, we all know that Taskin is our leader of the pack in fast bowling. He's been performing well. The rules of the tournament is allow us to carry someone and then we can make a decision. So what we are doing is giving him the best chance to be fit to play. And he's a very important member for us. So he's a leader, so that's why he's vice captain as well. And we are giving best opportunity, and then we have best medical and recovery procedures in America. So we are going to use those resources and then give him a best chance of being fit for the first game.
Okay, last two questions for the coach.
Mainly from the director. In the last World Cup, we saw quite a bit of something in the batting order. Especially if we look at commentators, and it was something quite a bit. Will we expect something similar?
Yeah, T20 cricket, yes, batting order will be changing. That's normally normal cricket. It's about where you bat and how best you bat.
Related to the World Cup, we never played outstanding cricket. Will you think this time there is opportunity to set everyone, mark everyone, right?
Yeah, every tournament is opportunity for us to do better than what we have done before. Yes, T20 cricket is been challenging for us. That shows where we stand in the ranking, so there's no denial. But then our preparation is, we are counting on our preparation to do better than what we have done before.
Thank you. We'll take questions for the captain, Bauri.
প্রথমত শুভেচ্ছা আপনাকে এবং শুভকামনা। একটা জিনিস বলবেন যে দল গঠনে আপনার ভূমিকা, যিনি ক্যাপ্টেন নির্বাচন কমিশনের কতটা ছিল, লিটনকে দলে রাখা এবং শেষ মুহূর্তে সাইক্লিংকে অনেক করে তানজিম শুরুতে ভার্চুয়ালি বা কোইন্সিডেন্টলি দুজনই আপনার ক্লাব মেট আপনার এর সম্পর্কে ধারণা, আপনার ইনপুটটা কি ছিল? আপনি কি একটু বলবেন যে নির্বাচকদের সঙ্গে এদের ইনক্লুশনটা